The best cloth diapers reviews. If you are looking for reusable, eco-friendly diapers, we have compiled a list of the best cloth diapers for you. Cloth diapers are made of soft cotton or bamboo material, preventing skin irritation and rashes. They are easy to maintain and clean, allowing you to reuse them conveniently. Thus, unlike disposable diapers, you only need a few cloth diapers to keep your baby clean and safe throughout the day. They provide optimal protection from leaks. So, if you want an environment-friendly alternative, these cloth diapers can come in handy. They are available in various sizes, designs, and colors to suit your needs and are adjustable. Watch our list to find one that fits your baby well. Number 1. Best Natural Diaper. Gerber Birdseye 3-Ply Prefold White Cloth Diapers. Gerber Birdseye 3-Ply Prefold White Cloth Diapers are perfect for parents who like all things natural for their babies. It is made of 100% cotton woven in a way that it has extra layers in the middle, where it is most necessary. Customized to suit your baby's skin, it absorbs fully for comfort. The fabric is flexible, soft, and dries quickly, saving you a lot of time. It is a multi-purpose cloth diaper that can also be used as a burp cloth, duster, wiper, etc. This pack of 10 cloth diapers is just the one for your child's day and night leaking needs. What we like: lightweight, absorbs quickly, machine washable, 100% recycled paperboard packaging. What we don't like: might leak without a waterproof cover, might have to soak in non-chlorine bleach from time to time to maintain the whiteness. Number 2. Best Leak-Proof Diaper. Mama Koala's Bamboo Cloth Diaper Inserts. Are you tired of cleaning your newborn's bed sheets because of diaper leaks? Well, you have found your solution. Mama Koala's Bamboo Cloth Diaper Inserts are made of 2 hidden layers of microfibers and outer layers of bamboo, ensuring your baby's leak-proof sleep. You can fit it in a pocket diaper and easily reuse it till your child has passed toddlerhood. Your baby will indeed like this breathable insert diaper for everyday use. What we like: easy to use, eco-friendly, absorbent, one-size design, for newborns and toddlers. What we don't like: might snap easily. Number 3. Best Budget-Friendly Diaper. ALVABABY One-Size Cloth Diapers. Get your kid a stylish cloth diaper that is breathable and budget-friendly. Since it is reusable, you don't have to dispose of the dirty diaper and buy a new one every time. ALVABABY one-size cloth diapers can be used by your kid even as they grow. These diapers have a waterproof outer layer, protecting them from leaks. You can use it as a liner with a diaper cover to give your child super comforting protection. What we like: adjustable, washable, 3-layer microfiber, premium diapers, elastic near thighs, buttons for easy snapping. What we don't like: might not be suitable for petite babies. Number 4. Best Hypoallergenic Diaper. Kanga Care Lil Joey Cloth Diaper. Kanga Care Lil Joey Cloth Diaper is one of the best cloth diapers for babies with sensitive skin. This hypoallergenic diaper is crafted using gusset leak protection, which is patented. It is perfect for a newborn baby's first few days, as it has a snap-down front that ensures sensitive cord care to prevent unwanted accidents. This set of 2 diapers is suitable for preemies and newborns weighing between 4 to 12 pounds. What we like: soft fabric, waterproof polyester TPU, available in fun colors and prints, 2 inner gussets and 4-layer microfiber. What we don't like: maybe tight small for some babies. Number 5. Best Eco-Friendly. Wegreeco Washable Reusable Baby Cloth Pocket Diapers. Thoughtful package, including 6 packs of diapers plus 6 inserts plus 1 wet bag per pack, 6 different modern patterns, cute stylish prints for boys and girls. It would be the ideal product for newborns and moms. One-size adjustable diaper, 3 rows of adjustable snaps to allow for a small, medium, and large size in one diaper. Usually fit 0 to 2 years baby. If you are looking for a pocket diaper to last through your baby's infancy, toddlerhood, and even future babies, Wegreeco baby diapers grow with your baby. Soft exterior, 100% polyester, leak-free and breathable pull. This kind of soft material, breathe in better construction diapers, help keep your baby comfortable. Double rows of snaps fit well. The leg gusset can avoid leaks. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you need more information or want to know the product price, check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our Koala products as it will make your life much easier. The